That is word problem under what? Simultaneous equation. Solving question that involve wordings. Here, the questions will be given to you in a form of sentence, as in it will be formed like in form of what? Written. The question will be given to you in sentences. Then, as a good mathematics student, you should be able to interpret sentence or statement into what? Equation. So that is the aim of what? Word problem under what? Simultaneous equation. So the question will be given to you in wordings. It will not be direct questions. So the examiner expects you to interpret these sentences into what? Mathematical what? Equation and solve. So the question can take any form. At times, it could be a mother is a mother is 4 times as old as her daughter, and so on and so forth. So it will take a good knowledge of English and a good knowledge of mathematics for you to interpret sentences into what? Equation. So let us consider some example under this. One word problem, simultaneous equation word problem. Example 1 here. Example 1. The question says a mother is now 4 times. Mother is now 4 times as old as her daughter. Full stop. 3 years ago, she was 5 times. 3 years ago, she was 5 times as old as her daughter. As old as her daughter. How old are the daughter? How old are the daughter and the mother? Question mark. Question mark. Question mark. Look at the question again. A mother is now 4 times as old as her daughter. 3 years ago, she was 5 times as old as her daughter. How old are the daughter and the mother? As you can see, no value is given to you. The values are not written in figure. They are all written in statements, like I told you earlier on. So you are expected to interpret this particular word statement now into a mathematical equation and solve. The question is asking us to look for the old of the mom and that of what? The daughter. So how are we going to tackle this question? Very simple and straightforward. We are going to assume 1 or 2 things here. Solution to this question. Solution. First thing, according to the question, a mother is now 4 times as old as her daughter. So assuming the daughter age, let the daughter age be equals to what? X years. Let the daughter age be equals to what? X years. So definitely let the daughter age be equals to what? X. Now a mother is now 4 times as old. So definitely if the daughter age is X, what do you think the mother age will be? So mother age will be equals to what? 4 multiplied by what? X. Definitely that is 4x. So that is it. As you can see, we are already getting our what? Equation gradually. We are getting the equation gradually, as you can see. Yeah, a mother is now 3 years ago. 3 years ago. What happened 3 years ago? 3 years ago. What happened 3 years ago? 3 years ago. So please do not underestimate that particular word statement because it's very important to the question. 3 years ago, what happened? 3 years ago, what is daughter's age? 3 years ago, that is daughter age now. 3 years ago, what is, so 3 years ago, daughter's age will be equals to, 3 years ago, daughter age will be equals to, that is 3 years ago. Assuming we say 3 years time, that is going to be addition. But 3 years ago, it has already, the years has already been what? Gone past. So we are going to deduct it from the real age of the daughter. So 3 years ago, we have x minus 3. Subtract the 3 from the real age now. That is the age now, the present age. So that is daughter age is equals to what? X minus 3 what? Years. So definitely mother age 3 years ago, mother age 3 years ago will be, you know, we said the mother age is 4x, so that will be 4x minus what? 3 years. So that is it. 3 years. So that is it. So what happened 3 years ago? What happened 3 years ago? Now 3 years ago, she was 5 times as old as her, 5 times as old as her daughter. 5 times as old as her daughter. So 5 times as old as her daughter. That means that what is mother age? Mother age 3 years ago was 4x minus 3 in brackets. It will be equals to 5 times that of daughter's age. That is 5 in bracket of x minus 3. So that is it. Now from here, let us open our brackets and see what we are going to get. Open our brackets. We have 4x minus 3 is equals to 5 times x is 5x. 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. So from here, we collect the like terms. You bring this one to this side. So then you bring this one to this side. This is minus 3 we retain. Then this one coming to this side becomes what? Positive 15. Then we have 5x. So then you bring this one, it becomes negative what? 4x. So subtract 3 from 15, we have 12. Then subtract 4 from 2, we have x. So therefore, s is equals to what? 12. Remember we said this s represents whose age? That is daughter's age. So now if s is equals to 12, then what do you think mother's age will be? So the daughter age now, right? The daughter's age is equals to 12 years. Then what is the mother age? Why the mother age? The mother's age will be equals to 12 times 4. Or let me say 4 times, that is 4x. 4 times 12. So which is going to give us what? 48 years. Now that is it. That is that about that. What problem in mathematics? Most especially under our simultaneous equation. Alright, this particular question, although we are unable to get two equations from this one because the question, then I can rightly tell you that this particular word problem is from linear equation because it only deal with what? A single word equation. Do you get it now? So, but as you can see how we solve it. In the question, there was no, the number that were given to us were written in a sentence. So we are able to interpret this particular statement into what? Equation and solve. So that is how to tackle question on word problems. Please don't go far. Stay behind. Stay glued with your phone. We are coming back for example 2. Thank you very much.